Welcome to Apt Controls and Appliances Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of thermostats and panel space heaters. We are an ISO 9001-2000 TNB certified company established in the year 1991 at Thane. We have been rated by CRI SIL and do hold DUNS number catering to ABB, Areva, Siemens and other companies. Total client satisfaction, world-class quality, specialized R&D wing, CAD and CAM design unit are some of the features that we offer. Our product range includes water heater, bimetallic enclosure and STEM type thermostats. We offer STEM and rod type water heater thermostats that are well known for their impeccable performance. Our bimetallic enclosure thermostats are safe to use and can be customized as per client requirements. We provide STEM type thermostats which are available with plain fixed sink Z and L brackets. Along with that, we offer temperature limiters and cutouts that are best in the industry. We also provide panel space and enclosure heaters in different ratings and sizes. To get the best deal, log on at www.aptcontrolsindia.net.